And here's my friend Kookaburra visiting me third day in a row and second time today. So I'm so grateful. Hi. Anyone like to say something? How cute it is. I have a feeling he smile because it's so big. Never seen such a big kookaburra. I read last night any meaning attached to visit from spirit bird, and about kookaburra they said that is a messenger, and if it comes to your door, he's bringing good messages to you. And yay, I'm so grateful. Thank you for choosing me to come. Oh, look at this face. I love it. Look at this. Okay, I like to get a few photos. Have to pause this video. Hey, Kookaburra. Look how cute you are. Look at you. So beautiful. Say to me something. What message you bringing me? Huh? Tell me. Tell me something. Beautiful day, isn't it? Hold on. So I paused and I'm back, and our friend is still here. Hey! Just first time when he stopped today, I tried to open the door and he flew in the tree behind. And he's back. I don't wanna... Yeah. Scare him off again. Hey friend, tell me something. Can I open the door? Don't be scared. Love you being here. Now he spotted my dog Zeus. Aww. And there he is again, back in the tree, like yesterday. Hey, gorgeous. Sorry, I didn't think to scare you. I know I didn't. Just probably did. I love you. Enjoy this beautiful day. Come again. Bye for now.